back, GlamFam. It's your girl, Angela Denise, and I am here with you today with a fall makeup look. And this is going to be one of a few looks that I plan on doing here on my channel for the fall season. I have to subconsciously get myself into the fall mood because here in Houston, it is still hot. It's hurricane season and it's still hot and humid. We normally don't start cooling down until about October, towards the end of October pretty much. But anyhow, if you are interested in how I created this look, just keep on watching. Okay, I'm actually not quite sure about what this is going to be exactly today, but I do know that I'm going to start this thing off with the Aina and ABH palette. I've got my eyes already primed with, what did I prime with? I primed it with my Mercier Flawless Fusion in the shade 5N, and I set it with my NARS Velvet Loose Powder. Yeah. So, I think I'm going to go ahead and pick up Ginger. Okay, so probably should have went ahead and had my brushes ready, but I don't, so be patient with your girl. I think that I want to pick up the color Edges. I don't know if this is going to be what I want it to be. Just bear with me. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put the lid color on, and I'm gonna go in with Sponsored. Then I'm going to go in with Situation. I'm going to pick up Credit. This color. And I'm just going to blend a little bit of that through my crease. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit of Zwollis. Then I'll pick up a little bit of Soel. And I'm going to pat that on my brow bone. Kind of liking it. All right, so today, well, first of all, I already have my face primed. Let me go ahead and spray my face again. This is the Mario Badescu Lavender Facial Spray. So I also want to mention that I did some color correcting off camera. I used the Urban Decay Stay Naked Concealer in the shade 80WO. So while my primer is drying, I want to go in with my Hollywood Flawless Filter from Charlotte Tilbury on the high points. And I'm just going to pat it in with my fingers. Now I'm going to use one that I haven't used on camera, and that is the Chanel Ultra Le Tint. I'm wearing the shade BD 101. This actually came out back in December. I've talked to you guys about it, but I have not applied it on camera, so I do apologize about that. One thing that I want to mention about this is, of course, you can't get it at Sephora. You can get it at some Ultas, and you can get it at Macy's is where I got mine. It does oxidize, so when you see me applying it to my face, it's going to look a little bit light. So what I'm going to do is take my It Cosmetics brush and blend it out, and then of course go on top of that with my beauty blender. That's what I always do. Unless I've tested out a foundation like the Charlotte Tilbury and I find that I need to apply it with a sponge only or a brush only. And this is one that dries fast, so you need to work in sections. Okay, so I'll go in with my beauty blender like I always do and just pat everything down. Charlotte Tilbury contour wand. Going in with one of my absolute favorite concealers, if not the favorite concealer, is the Giorgio Armani Power Fabric Concealer. I'm wearing the shade 8.75. All right, so I'm gonna go in with my YSL loose powder. This is in the shade 3. I love the Giorgio Armani Power Fabric with this powder. It looks really good. I'm just gonna go in and set. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Chanel loose powder in the shade 40. I'm going to dump a little bit out in the cap, and I'm going to take my Laura Mercier powder puff. This powder is absolutely perfection. Now I'll take my Glam Terracotta in the shade number 5. And this is going to be a Sephora number 59 brush. Now I'm going to go back into the Jackie palette and pick up the color. Let me do ginger first. I'm going to go in with that same brush, and I'm going to pick up the color Credit. All right, so for my blush today, I'm going to pick up my Tom Ford Ravish. So I'm going to go ahead and spray my face one more time. Now I'll go in and buff my face, if I can find my buffing brush, with my Laura Mercier Candleglow powder. Okay, so lips. I'm gonna do lips, and then we'll finish it up with the lashes. So today I have a concoction. These are both a Kat Von D lip. I have the shades Vampira and Naz for Atoo. I really want to mix them both together. That's what I want. I'm going to apply Vampire first. Then I'll go in with Naz for Atoo. Okay, let me do my lashes, change, and I'll be right back. Okay, fam, I am back, and this is the finished look. This is going to be my first of a couple of different fall looks that I'm going to be doing for you guys today. I'm kind of like sitting down and just freestyling and seeing what I come up with. That's kind of why I was hesitant in the very beginning to call it a fall makeup tutorial. But that's essentially what it is, using some products that I really have been enjoying. So you guys comment and let me know what type of videos you want to see next. And until the next time, I'll see you later. Bye.